Imagine this 30 days, no excuses, just running every single day. Will you become a beast of endurance, or will your knees turn to dust? What actually happens to your body, your mind, and even your life if you commit to running daily for an entire month? Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you see fitness forever. Day 1, you feel like a champion. The fresh air, the wind against your face, it's like a Rocky training montage, until reality hits. By day 3, your legs feel like they're carrying bricks. Your lungs, they're working overtime. And let's not forget the blisters. Oh, and that soreness. You'll feel muscles you didn't even know existed. Your body is literally screaming, "What are you doing to me?" But don't give up just yet, because something incredible is about to happen. By day 7, your body starts adapting. Your heart gets stronger. Your lungs become more efficient. Your stamina, it's already improving. And here's a crazy fact: running boosts endorphins, which means even though your legs might hate you, your brain is feeling good. It's like nature's antidepressant. Studies show that running can reduce stress and even rewire your brain to handle challenges better. But here's the catch: most people quit right here. Why? Because the real transformation is just getting started. This is where the magic happens. By day 14, something clicks. Running no longer feels like punishment, it feels like power. Your legs are stronger. Your breathing is controlled. And if you were struggling to lose weight, now's when you start seeing real changes. Here's a fact: the average person burns 600 to 1000 calories per hour running. That's like burning off an entire meal just by moving. But here's where things get really interesting, because something weird happens around week 3. Day 21. This isn't just about fitness anymore. You've built a habit. Scientists say it takes around 21 days for new behaviors to become automatic. And now, running is part of you. You start craving movement. Your focus improves. Your energy levels skyrocket. Even your sleep gets better. And let's talk about confidence. You started this challenge unsure, maybe even doubting yourself. But now you've proven you can push through discomfort, and that mindset spills into every area of your life. But the best part, that's still coming. Day 30. You made it. And here's what has changed: your endurance through the roof. Your body leaner, stronger, faster. Your mindset unstoppable. Running daily for 30 days didn't just change your fitness, it changed you. You're more disciplined, more confident, and you proved that you can do something difficult and come out stronger. So, here's the real question: could you do it? What if you ran every day for 30 days? Would you push through the pain? Would you make it to the end? There's only one way to find out. Hit that like button if you're up for the challenge, subscribe for more epic experiments like this, and let me know in the comments what's the hardest challenge you've ever taken on. I'll see you in the next one.